Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking around this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Varesine blue. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where you will find the Pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, and cascading on the sides of this vehicle you're going to find further stylish features as it sits with the utmost pride on a set of 21-inch satin dark grey alloys. To the rear of the vehicle you will notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, and the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the power tailgate, which can also be done via a single press of the key, will reveal a vast and versatile amount of boot space. Glimpsing into the rear, passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony perforated Windsor leather reclined seats. Glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way heated electric memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Glimpsing over now at your leather-heated multifunctional steering wheel, your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and finalise our journey by looking up to see your fully sliding panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.